Welcome back to my channel, guys. Sean Myers here. In a previous video, I actually cut my wife's hair, and it turned out all right. So in the middle of that haircut, she actually looked over at me, and she said, "I think I could cut your hair." Well, that's what we're gonna find out today. And on top of it, she said she doesn't even want to do a 2 fade. She doesn't even want to do a 1 fade. She doesn't even want to do a shadow fade. She wants to do a full-blown skin fade. So that's gonna be exciting. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? Not yet. But there's Lindsay, by the way. She's already ready to get started. So it's about to get exciting up in here. So if that's something you guys want to check out, be sure to go down below. Please like and subscribe. Even click that little bell. And let's get on with it. Peace. In case I didn't say it in the intro, Lindsay has never cut my hair before. She's not a cosmetologist in any way. And I'm just gonna let her just do what she wants. I'm gonna be creative with it. I asked for a number 3 on top with a skin fade on side, and she can surprise me with that. I mean, we'll just see how this goes. So by the end of this video, I want you guys to please rate her haircut on a scale of 1 to 10. I know for sure at the end of this video I will. Be friendly, but let us know what you think. Give her a little rating. So that being said, let's start this. So she did a 3 on top. That's over with. So now we're gonna go ahead and go on, and she's gonna use the T-edgers and bald me out. And please believe I'm gonna go ahead and coach her through this. I'm not gonna leave her stranded. You go with that? Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna coach her through it, and it is what it is. I'm gonna probably speed up some so that way this isn't a 1-hour video. All right, guys, let's go. At this point, I'm kind of coaching her through the line. She already seen me do it quite a few times, but she needed that extra little help. There's nothing wrong with helping her out through this, by the way. It's her very first time. Show some love. I'm sorry about that.
Turning your head.
Okay. I just have a feeling this video is going to be a lot longer than I thought. Of course, I get it. It's your first time. You know what I mean? Did you do the line?
Oh man! Like I don't know how to get it all. Can I go down? It's terrifying.
Alright, so that looks pretty good.
Now put your head up straight. Now let me see. Look at me.
This is still a lot lower than what I thought you were
You
gonna.
want me to go higher?
No, that's fine. Just do that.
Look at me.
We'll rock with that.
That's dead even.
Okay.
Like I'm sorry.
Alright, so she got the line around, so you guys can go ahead and tell me what you think. Alright, I can't really see it the greatest, but she's gonna swing the camera around here.
That's pretty good.
Let me get in the light a little bit better. Yep.
It looks crooked, but you're holding your head. So I'm reminded of that.
So that's the line. Let's get on with the next step. So Lindsay, how you doing so far?
Terrified.
What?
Terrified.
You're terrified?
Well, I mean, I think it doesn't look bad. It's the
I thought
blind part.
I thought you could do what you got going on so far.
It's just getting at that bottom.
Okay. Okay. All right.
I don't have to
All right. All right. She don't know how to flick, she said. Status update. Lindsay, how you doing back here?
I think I'm getting it.
You getting it?
Yeah. Bottom line part's a little
Yeah.
tricky.
Yeah, you're getting it. All right. Yeah, so just a little update. Be back with you in a second. Doing really good so far. You gotta give her credit where credit is due. At least give her an A for effort. Woo! Getting fresher by the minute, baby. Getting fresher by the minute. How you doing back there, Linz?
Not bad.
She's doing not bad. I think she's doing pretty good. I know it's a struggle. It's pretty hard at first.
Bottom line's the toughest part.
Bottom line's the toughest
That's
part.
like to get rid of it.
Yeah, it ain't
Those
easy.
evident lines in your head. I'm not gonna lie.
Question you gotta ask yourself is, could you be a barber?
No, absolutely not.
Okay, all right. So Lindsay said that this is looking like getting pretty close to being finished, so she's gonna do some last minute touches and we'll go over the haircut. Peace. so Lindsay calls this a wrap. Go ahead and walk us around, Lindsay, and show us your final product.
Terrible.
Right. I mean, I coached her a little bit. It's really hard to explain to her.
Not awful. There's some lines.
How would you rate this on a 1 to 10 scale?
Maybe like a 5.
A 5?
Because I didn't ruin your hair.
She didn't ruin my hair.
I could have completely ruined it.
And honestly, this looks better than Supercuts. I'll give it a solid 5 too. After all, we are at home. We're all quarantined. And would you safely say that you did it?
I think so.
All right, she did it.
I think for my first time, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's not bad. Well, as always, thanks again, guys. She really tried hard. Show her some love. Drop a comment. Say how well she did. We appreciate you guys stopping by. And I'll see you guys soon for new content. So be sure to like and subscribe. Click that bell. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.